What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I am trying to find out if the will light will light. Hey, I just picked this up. It's called the Will Light Pocket Fire Starter, and it's about the size of a can of Chew, if you've ever used those. And I thought it was kind of innovative. It's like a fire starter with a fuse, so you kind of light it like a Roman candle or a stick of dynamite. And it comes in this little plastic case here, so it should be pretty well protected from getting wet. And inside is the will light itself, and one of the things that I noticed is that it comes wrapped in plastic, so it should be nice and protected. But once you take that plastic off, as I already have here, you can see it's just like a little tiny hockey puck, and it's like a paper outside, but then on the bottom here you can see, and this is the bottom, it says make sure that's facing down. You can see that we have this fuse under here, and so you will extend that. Basically, you're gonna put this on the ground or in your fire pit, extend the fuse, pile the wood on top, and then light the fuse. So let's do that now. So I have gone ahead and definitely stacked up some wood. You can see the will light down there. I tried to put a little bit of kindling, and then you can see the fuse. Luckily, I have one of my long lighters here so I can get to it, but hopefully we will see what it does. I'm really kind of curious how much flame it produces, because it showed people stacking a fairly decent amount of wood on it, and as you can see, this is pretty thick wood. I do have a little bit of the smaller stuff, but you know, sometimes you don't always have the luxury out, you know, wherever you are to get kind of all the levels of tinder and kindling that you need. So we're gonna use it the way we've got it. All right, so let's get in on there. Woo! There she goes. You can see it burning that fuse. I feel so demolition-like. Wow, that thing really flares up. Holy smokes, I can see some thermite. Woo! Holy smokes! That was bigger and more of a torch than I really thought. Man, I guess you can say the will light, because that thing was kind of violent. Not like firecracker violent, but definitely kind of ignited in a way that wasn't just like wood burning up. It was just really a very kind of robust chemical reaction there. So pretty cool. I mean, you can see, man, it throws out some flame, that's for sure. So we'll let it go here for a little while. Now, it is a little hard to tell if that will light has some fuel in it that is continuing to burn. I kind of assume it is. I kind of hear some sizzling, but it seems to be igniting this little wood pile here. So that's pretty cool. I guess I am pretty impressed that the will light will light. So if you're going to go out in the wilderness here and take something with you, and you want to get a flame going and a fire going right away, this seems pretty cool. I will put a link to this sucker in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out. Well, just a little follow-up here. It's been a while. I've been out tending the fire, and I will say, other than that will light, and you know, the wood that you saw on there, I've just been putting on bigger and bigger stuff here, and it's continuing to burn. So that sucker worked quite well. I'm very happy with it. We've got a sizzling hot fire here, and you know, I'm throwing in some big stuff here, man, and obviously that is a success. So that's my follow-up. Peter Von Panda out.